Hello folks, this is going to be a pretty short video because I didn't have my tripod, but we have wallboard up and we've started doing spackling, and then we'll should be able to do concrete or a mortar bed for the shower here pretty soon. Alright, so this plastic sheeting under the first layer of mortar is absolutely only to protect the plywood from the wet mortar and is not a waterproofing layer at all. So these wood strips along the outside border of the mortar are for screeding level to ensure that I have a slope toward the drain for the liner, which is going to follow this first layer of mortar. And that liner will be waterproof.
Oops, that's one bag right there, 180-pound bag. Needed to mix a little more. All right, first layer of mortar down. Looks like it turned out all right. Next step is going to be putting down the PVC liner, securing that in place, and then hardy board.